Welcome to Review Lab. The best small space solutions is probably one of the most sought-after categories for anyone living in a compact apartment or a cozy room, transforming cluttered corners into functional and stylish sanctuaries that maximize every inch of available space, making your bedroom feel larger and more organized than ever before. Number 5. Granny says 4-shelf hanging organizer. Tired of clutter? Introducing a smart solution to organize your living spaces. It's designed to fit perfectly in closets, bedrooms, and even your RV. Find what you need in an instant. These open shelves provide clear visibility, making it easy to store and access clothes, accessories, and more. Crafted from durable, washable polyester fabric, this organizer is made for everyday use. Each shelf is reinforced for a higher load capacity. No more worries about items slipping out. The thoughtful design includes a small strip to keep everything securely in place, especially smaller items. Need organization on the go? It collapses flat for easy storage and transport, making it ideal for travel, car trips, and picnics. From closets and wardrobes to campers and dorm rooms, this organizer adapts to your needs. It's the perfect addition to any home or travel setup. What we like? This hanging organizer is perfect for those who need versatile storage. Its foldable design makes it ideal for travel or temporary storage needs. If you're looking for a solution that can easily be packed away or moved between locations, like for RVs or dorm rooms, this is a great choice. What people say? The drawers are deep and hold a lot of clothes, which is great for a small bedroom. The design is very modern and sleek, it looks great in my room. Assembly was surprisingly easy, all parts were included and the instructions were clear. Number 4. Magic Space Saving Hangers, Pack of 6. Tired of a cluttered closet? Our innovative hangers are designed to maximize your wardrobe space, creating over 80% more capacity. Keep your clothes neatly separated and wrinkle-free, perfect for any living space. These organizers offer unparalleled flexibility with a 360 degrees rotating hook and seamless stacking. Easily access your garments and even air dry them efficiently. They are perfect for organizing everything from heavy coats to delicate shirts. Crafted from premium, thickened PP plastic, these hangers are built to last. They securely support significant weight without bending or breaking, protecting your clothes and your hands for long-term daily use. The unique 9-hole design ensures even spacing and ventilation for each item. This prevents clothes from crowding and wrinkling, making selection effortless and preserving garment quality. This convenient 6-pack provides an immediate upgrade to your closet system, transforming chaos into order. They are an essential and thoughtful gift for college students, apartment dwellers, or anyone desiring a clutter-free lifestyle. These multifunctional hangers are perfect for organizing all types of clothing, including pants, coats, and even baby clothes. Save time and effort in your daily routine and when preparing for travel. What we like? This set of hangers is a game changer for anyone struggling with limited closet space. It allows for vertical storage, instantly increasing your wardrobe capacity. If you're a college student in a dorm or live in a small apartment and want to make the most of every inch of your closet, these are essential. What people say? The drawers are deep and hold a lot of clothes, which is great for my small bedroom. It was easy to assemble and looks very nice in my room. The shelves are adjustable, so I can fit different sized items. I love the hanging rod, it's sturdy and holds my winter coats without any issues. Number 3. SPACELEAD Slim 3-Tier Rolling Storage Cart. This slim storage cart offers ultimate flexibility. With 360-degree rotating wheels, you can effortlessly move it to any corner of your home for convenient storage. It provides ample compartments to help you organize your belongings efficiently. You can easily store and access everything you need at a glance. This versatile cart can be adjusted to a 2- or 3-tier shelf. It's perfect for use as a bathroom dresser or a kitchen spice rack, keeping your space tidy. Featuring a mesh hollow design at the bottom, it prevents water from accumulating. This ensures your stored items stay dry and clean. Constructed from high-quality plastic, it's both stable and durable. Installation is incredibly simple and requires no additional tools. What we like? This slim storage cart is perfect for utilizing narrow spaces. Its rolling wheels make it easy to move around, and the mesh design keeps items dry. If you have tight spots in your bathroom, kitchen, or laundry room that need organizing, this cart slides right in and provides accessible storage. What people say. The drawers are surprisingly deep, fitting more than I expected. The modular design allows for flexible configurations to fit different corner spaces. Assembly was straightforward, with clear instructions and all parts included. Number 2. HengLiSam Small Rotatable Jewelry Organizer. Introducing a perfectly sized jewelry organizer, designed to keep your treasures safe and dust-free. Its compact form also doubles as an exquisite decoration for any space. Effortlessly access your collection with its innovative 4-layer rotating tray. This modern design allows for 360-degree rotation, making organization simple and stylish. Keep all your small jewelry neatly organized. It's ideal for rings, earrings, necklaces, bracelets, and watches, providing a dedicated spot for every piece. Crafted from durable ABS resin and lined with soft non-woven fabric, it offers a secure storage space. This protects your precious items from scratches and tarnishing. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This jewelry organizer is a sweet present for any woman in your life, perfect for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. Stop worrying about gift choices and add this beautiful organizer to your cart. It's a practical and elegant solution for jewelry storage and a wonderful gift. What we like. This jewelry organizer is ideal for keeping your small accessories tidy and protected. Its compact, rotating design means it doesn't take up much space on your dresser or vanity. If you have a collection of rings, earrings, or other small jewelry and want to keep them organized, dust-free, and easily accessible, this is a beautiful solution. What people say. The drawers are surprisingly deep, allowing for ample storage of sweaters and blankets. Assembly was straightforward, and all parts were included, which made setting it up a breeze. The slim profile fits perfectly in my narrow closet, maximizing the available space without feeling bulky. Number 1. HOLDN Storage Hanging Closet Organizer with Garment Rod. Tired of cramped closets? This innovative 2-in-1 organizer gives you 3 spacious shelves and a durable garment rod. It instantly creates a second tier of hanging space, perfect for maximizing storage in any room. Unlike flimsy organizers, ours is built with premium, tear-resistant fabric and reinforced shelves. You can store heavy sweaters, denim, towels, and shoes without worrying about it sagging. Engineered to hold more weight than standard organizers, it features 2 robust metal hooks. These hang securely from any closet rod, ensuring it stays safely in place even when fully loaded. Stop digging through messy drawers. The open front design keeps your folded clothes, hats, and handbags neatly displayed and easily accessible. It helps you organize accessories and reduces morning clutter. Simply hang the sturdy hooks over your closet rod and it's ready to use in seconds. It fits perfectly in standard wardrobes and clothing racks, providing maximum storage efficiency. What we like. This hanging organizer is designed to maximize your closet's potential by combining shelving with a garment rod. It's perfect for small closets where you need both folded storage and hanging space. If you want to create a second tier of hanging storage without sacrificing shelf space, this is the ideal solution for you. What people say. The drawers are surprisingly deep, allowing for ample storage of sweaters and blankets. The modular design is fantastic. I was able to configure it to fit my narrow closet perfectly. Assembly was straightforward, and all parts were included, which made setting it up a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.